In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to order Domino's Pizza in train. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Ordering Domino's Pizza at any train station is extremely simple. In order for you to do this, you will have to go over to the IRCTC e-catering website. So this is going to be the official railway catering service. In here, you will be able to order through the website as I'm demonstrating on screen or through the mobile app called Food on Track. Choose whichever option you prefer. I'm going to be doing it on the website, but you can follow along through the Food on Track mobile app. Once you go over to e-catering at IRCTC, you will be able to browse through all of the options. You can either include your PNR to start the order, or if you scroll down, you should be able to find Domino's Pizza. So immediately upon selecting Domino's Pizza, you can now browse through all of the delivery stations available. You can also choose by category of food, so you have pizza, garlic bread, and so on. Choose whichever one you prefer. For this video, I'm going to select one of the delivery stations. Once you choose the delivery stations, you will see the menu available on that specific one, and now you can go ahead, open all of these details, and add the items to your cart. You will notice that every time that you try to add something to your cart, you will need to enter your PNR. So the order will only go through if you are able to enter a PNR. Unfortunately, for this video, I don't have a PNR at hand, so I won't be able to demonstrate it in full. But as soon as you include all of the items to your cart, you will be able to proceed once the PNR is included. So this is essentially all you have to do. You place your order through the website or the Food on Track mobile app after you choose your station and the category, and you will be able to receive your order in train. This works for Domino's or any other service available in here, but of course Domino's is usually always on top, so it's going to be the featured one. I hope I was able to help you on how to order Domino's Pizza in train. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.